In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your TradingView watchlist. If you've ever found yourself in need of managing your trading instruments more efficiently or sharing your list with someone else, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the simple steps to export your watchlist, ensuring you have a handy backup or a neatly formatted list ready for any occasion. First, let's talk about where to begin. Head over to your watchlist panel, which is conveniently located on the right side of your chart in TradingView. This panel is your gateway to all the stocks or instruments you are monitoring closely, and it holds the key to better managing your trades. To access more advanced features, you'll want to click on the Advanced View. Now, why would you want to do this? The Advanced View provides a more detailed and comprehensive look at your list, allowing you more control and options for managing your watch lists. Once you've clicked on Advanced View, a pop-up window will emerge. This is where the magic happens. In this table, you'll find several options, and here is where you'll focus on exporting your watch list. Look for the Export List option and give it a click. This action triggers the download of a .txt file. This file will include all the symbols you have in your list, neatly formatted in the exchange, symbol style, and separated by commas. It's important to note this format as it will make it easier to handle when you choose what to do with it later. Now that you have your exported file, you're ready for the next steps. You can open this file with several applications depending on your preference and what you wish to accomplish. Microsoft Excel is a go-to for many who want to analyze data, while Notepad offers a quick view or simple edits. Alternatively, Google Sheets provides an excellent free online option for those who prefer working in the cloud or need to collaborate with others. Regardless of which program you choose, you may want to format or clean your list. This step can include removing duplicates, organizing by exchange, or simply tidying up the contents to fit your particular needs. Once you've perfected the list to your liking, decide on the most suitable format for saving it. A text file is excellent for simplicity and sharing over email, while a .csv file opens up more options for integration with other software or services. Saving your list in one of these formats ensures flexibility for future use, whether you're backing it up or sharing it with trading partners. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully exported and prepared your TradingView watchlist for your future trading needs. Whether you're ensuring against unexpected data loss or collaborating with others, having an exported watchlist is an invaluable tool for every trader.